your L-shaped living and the dining area. So basically this is the part of your living area. Now here's your kitchen area, your master bedroom. So once you enter here, hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Chetal and today we are here at RLD Ultima, which is located in Kelambakam, Chennai, a project developed by RLD Builders. And today we'll be doing the sample flat tour of the project. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are here in front of the marketing office of the project, and this is the marketing office of this project. We'll be getting all the information and detail of the project. And now about the land parcel is just behind me over here where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So basically this project is spread across 7.42 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers in all. So currently they have launched with Tower A and other 3 towers are for future development and launching very soon. So basically this tower will be of 2 basement ground plus 35 floors having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and this project provides you 117 amenities in all. So here's the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities with garden area, kids play area, here's the multi-purpose court, swimming pool and many more amenities in the project. Now about the project location. So basically this project is located on Kelambakam Bangalore main road in Kelambakam, Chennai. So let me show you that this is the Kelambakam Bangalore main road, and this road will connect you towards ECR and OMR, and the opposite side road that is just left hand side of me will connect you towards Vandoor. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. You can connect to Chettinad Hospital in 2 minutes. Hindustan University is 5 minutes away and Sipcot IT Park is 10 minutes away from the location of the project. So this is your 2 BHK model flat of 1106 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. But before that, let me mention you one thing. This is the foyer area that you will be provided before the main entrance of the house. And this is the main entrance of the house. Once you enter, this is your L-shaped living and the dining area. So basically this is the part of your living area where you can set your beautiful couches and even the sofa set in front of the TV unit space. So here's your balcony which is connected to your living area, which gives you 2-side open view with iron railing, and here's the anti-skid wooden finishing flooring as well. And now here's a huge dining area, so you can set your huge dining table over here exactly in front of your kitchen area. But before that, let me show you the space. This is the sink area that they are providing you exactly in center of the kitchen and the dining area. Now here's your kitchen area. You can check out the interior work which is done for your reference with the L-shaped platforms, the cabinets over here, and which has an attached dry balcony, that is the utility area with anti-skid flooring, iron railing. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is right here. So once you move in, you can check out the beautiful space over here, the spacious one. Here is your elegant bed. Here's the wardrobe space. Even they have added up a study table over here, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving further towards your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is on the other side of the house, but before that, let me mention you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So for that you have to cross your living area, and exactly right here is your master bedroom. So once you enter, here's your huge bed space. with a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even they have added up a work table over here. So as for your reference, here's a TV unit space, a wardrobe space over this side, and attached washroom with indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at RLD Builders project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.